Hey there, and welcome to NYJC's open house. Let's get you a goodie bag before I tell you more about why NY is the perfect JC for you.
Welcome to NYJC.
In NY, there isn't a down moment. There's a wide range of co-curricular activities that we can participate in. Let's check out our award-winning symphonic band, which is performing now. Additionally, the college allows us to start our own interest groups. COSI, which is made up of students who love dancing to the latest K-pop tunes, is just one of them. NY is one of the few colleges that has a high elements course. Going through the various obstacles have taught us to overcome our fears as well as trained us to be mentally tough.
If you're looking to further develop your talent in art or enhance your understanding of Chinese literature, then NY is the college for you.
The college offers the Art Elective program as well as the Chinese Language Elective program. We're just in time for the CLEP talk by our principal, Mr. Lau Chunming. Let's listen to what he has to say.
念语课对他们来说最大的好处就是，因为语文它其实就是开启另一扇世界的窗，它能够让你透过不同的语言去了解这个世界。
Which is my favorite place in the college? Well, it's here, the Good News Cafe.
It's a place where my friends and I can relax and enjoy good food at affordable prices during our breaks.
If you have any questions about the subjects that our college offers or any questions pertaining to JC curriculum, feel free to give us a call or come down to NY. Our teachers are more than willing to answer your queries. I said yes to NY last year and I'm relishing my time here. I hope you'll say yes to NY as well. And see you soon!